Well, good day and welcome to this live broadcast. My name is Warren, and I'm just going to basically get this started. I'm live on NFM 98.1. Is also where I'll be able to share with you today step marketing system, Facebook. All right. So that is what we're going to do. And this month we concentrate live here on, on Messenger. Information that I want to share with you today, as well as through Instagram. So if you don't know about this, read and get this information quickly started as well. We're going to go live shortly. In about 3 minutes, we are going to go live on Facebook as well as on YouTube. Stay tuned. The show is going to definitely rock you today. And I'm just setting up right here inside studio as well. Sure that I get my setup right here as well. Welcome and afternoon. This is Warren, and welcome to this live on Radio NFM, as well as broadcasting live today here on Facebook as well as YouTube. And we'll continue with Messenger, and we're going to look inside the 3-step marketing. So the purpose of this workshop and this live broadcast today is to show you the 3-step marketing system right inside Facebook. And I believe that will skyrocket business, right? So welcome to this broadcast. My name is Warren. Elon Business Talk every Wednesday between 2 and 3 p.m. If you are on Facebook at this moment, then what I would like you to do is go Radio NFM Facebook page, as well as to the Elon Training Facebook page. What you're going to have to look at today there is you're going to see, I'm going to take you through the 3-step system, the 3-step marketing, techniques that you can use inside Facebook today for your business. So whether you're a restaurant, whether you are fashion store, your own, any type of business can basically make use of these 3 steps inside Facebook. All right. Just to recap, last week I spoke to you, about this. I was talking about EdgeRank. All right, EdgeRank being the technology that Facebook uses behind your news feed, and I explained to you how the news feed works, as well as how sites, how you see a post. All right, based on your likes, your comments, your shares, and also told you that the very most important, the thing that carries a heavy impact on your post is one thing. Then when people comment, all right. Something that also went live, I think that was from the month of August, all right. And this is business.instagram.com. All right, so basically Instagram.com, we know that Instagram is now becoming one of those powerful apps, and Facebook now gearing itself for taking Instagram and let businesses use Instagram as well. So yes, exactly the same way that you're using Messenger for business, Instagram, all right? And we know that 700 million people, across the world is using Instagram. So that means that on Instagram as well. And I see that inside last week, I also took you inside the developers.facebook.com account that I have. This is where you, as a developer, you can basically create, apps, and you can create certain marketing messenger. So now I can use the same platform and build something for Instagram as well. So we're going to focus this month more on Messenger. And I think I'm going to take you through Instagram because I'm still playing around with it for this business Instagram, account. I'm still playing around with it to see, what you can basically create, what Facebook allows to understand the platform. And currently, businesses worldwide, this is the power of Facebook, the power of Messenger, and now it's Instagram. Business has already, I took you through the stats, and we can go through the stats again today. So as I said, today I'm going to focus the 3 steps marketing system right inside Facebook that will skyrocket your business. This is the topic for today. All right, I'm going to stick with that, and let's continue. So as you know, I'm the founder of eLearn. You can go on the Facebook page, ELURN. My mission in life is to encourage lifelong learning, to help people to launch to provide a financial solution, to help people to launch a digital business using email, Messenger, and Facebook. All right, so that is what we're going to look into today, right? And I always share with you the stats. I'm going to share with you today again. I think it's very important because if you know that there's 2.7 billion active email users around the world, at a rate of 3% per year, that means your business can go global immediately. And then obviously we ask the question, why Messenger? Well, we're going to look into that today again, but knowing this very truth that Facebook hosts 1.2 billion users around the world. All right, that is how many people is using that particular app. And then obviously Facebook, the big giant out there, the biggest of them all. Facebook really dominates. That's why you see, Facebook, the biggest social network site. Also, you look at Facebook bought Instagram, and Instagram is growing tremendously. Now we're adding business to Instagram as well. 700 million users around the world. And then Facebook obviously bought WhatsApp. Not so much geared for business. So if you're using WhatsApp for business, it's not really the channel that is, a great place for business, because the API of WhatsApp is not public. As developers, we cannot use that. People on WhatsApp worldwide, and more than 1.2 billion people on Facebook Messenger.
And you see, these are all the platforms that is owned by Facebook themselves. So they are growing, and Facebook is doing something powerful. So whatever Facebook is doing, I think, you know, for a business, you need to obviously, you know, look at it and, you know, begin to study it and begin to see how powerful it is. Then just showing you the stats of social media in South Africa. This is between 2012 and 2016, the growth that happened. Facebook growing at 130% rate, currently standing at about 14 million people, right? Then we have YouTube. We're not talking so much about YouTube, but Instagram. Instagram is currently having about 5.5 million people in South Africa. Now that's big. That's huge. Knowing that we have 55 million people in this country, and you know, approximately half of the population is using a smartphone device connecting. And as I said, there is something that's saying that when people buy a smartphone, their very first smartphone, the first place they connect is either to Facebook or Instagram. All right. So that's the first. So they must have an email address if you are connecting to Facebook. Right. And we see that 85% of consumers in South Africa access Facebook via their mobile device every day. And they say that, you know, concerned about, you know, data usage over Facebook, because, you know, there's various things inside Facebook that, you know, you got Facebook free, and you also got a Facebook Lite. So Facebook is really helping people also to save upon data. We see this as of January 2016, there's a million internet users, almost 23 hours a day on social media. Now check this out, 26, as I said, more than half of the population are using the internet through a mobile device and connecting it to social media. So Instagram is important, Facebook is important, Twitter is important. These are the platforms that people are using. And you can see the stats that I'm showing you right now live on Facebook. You can go to the Radio NFM platform, and you can basically be able to connect. Just push the play button as you see the post. Just push the play button, and you will be able to also then access this broadcast and see exactly what I'm teaching you on this program. This is a workshop program every Wednesday live on social media. Then let's dive deep into what we're going to talk in today. So I'm going to talk you through this particular thing today, Messenger. All right, as I said to you, why is important for business? I'm going to show you a three-step marketing system right inside Facebook. All right, that businesses need to understand, and they need to obviously utilize in their own platform. So Messenger is obviously town this year. It's growing. It's one of the fastest growing app. I mean, I think actually not one of the fastest growing apps, but the fastest growing app at the moment. Top on, you know, you can go and Google this and you will see Messenger always ranking top, you know, compared to other, you know, chat messaging services as well. So something what we're going to talk today is we're going to focus on what is called engagement. All right. So this is what the whole platform about Facebook is. Although Facebook started as a social media platform, all right, or social media network, always want is engagement, meaning they want interaction. So when you post something on Facebook, they want people to interact with each other. There must be engagement. So if I post something on Facebook, you know, in such a way that it attracts people and people comment. That is what Facebook loves. So that's why comments really, for a Facebook page, it really carries most of the weight. All right. And this is why you should be on Facebook. This is why you should be on Messenger. So the biggest marketing channel of which we understand is Messenger. Messenger, and this marketing channel obviously hosting 1.2 billion people using this messaging services every day. I'm going to show you something very unique today. We're going to go inside and we're going to look into something that's powerful and something that is going to really businesses look at this opportunity and see how can we utilize this, all right? How can we basically be able to implement this? And this is what I want to show you today on this platform. And even for those that is interested in knowing how to understand, if you are looking into a career in, the biggest of them all at the moment is mobile, understanding you know, mobile API, which is application program, and that is what Facebook allows you to work with on their platform using developers.facebook.com. So engagement, this is something, this is the marketing power for any Facebook page or any business. Simply put, engagement, the more engagement on your post, the more people will see. And Facebook judges post by interaction heavier than any other factor. So it means that humans carry a much more greater impact. And that's why Facebook will always show more posts that has more engagement, meaning there's more comments. Then comes the likes and the shares. All right. These are the least valuable, but they're still very good at determining if a post will get exposure. Comments, obviously, most valuable engagement piece in the algorithm. And as I told you last week, the algorithm, which is called EdgeRank, and that is what Facebook actually uses. You can go and read about EdgeRank. You go to edgerank.net, where you can educate yourself and understand how Facebook obviously judges on engagement. And this is keeping people on Facebook, and it is a true form of engagement. Facebook wants comments more than anything else. So Facebook, if you have an ad running on Facebook, they're going to judge that ad based on the one thing. Number one is there people commenting on this? That's why if you run an ad on Facebook, the most important thing that I want to show you today is also being able to sort of like entice people to comment on your page and giving them an incentive for something that they can comment with. All right. So we're going to look into that today as well. I'm going to show you a run through for that. So today, all right. Let me just go back. Just go back. So yeah, engagement. So where do we start? All right. So you can accomplish, how do we create engagement? This is the question that we're going to ask today, discovering the 3-step inside Facebook. So how do we create engagement? You can accomplish both, all right? Meaning you can run ads that create engagement, and the benefits are massive. Being able to sell your audience even if they are running any ads. So we're going to look at this from an ads perspective, and we're going to look at this from, because this is business, all right? It's nothing about using Facebook for personal use, but really understand that Facebook is not an ads platform, as many people may think. It's still a social network site, but Facebook's most important thing is, if we can drive anything on Facebook that has more engagement, that is what tells us what people like and what people would like to see most of the time. All right, because Facebook really goes about measuring behavior. All right, opposite than what Google are doing. Google, obviously, mostly of the time they measure how many people are searching for this thing. On Facebook, it's more about measuring behavior. How do people react to a post? When they see a post, how do people engage with a post? What do they comment? What do they like? And then what do they share? We're going to look at today. So as I'm live on Radio NFM 19.1, I want you to stay tuned to this broadcast and go for a quick ad break. All right. We're going to go back and we're going to continue with this program, Elon Business Talk, every Wednesday between 2 and 3 p.m. on Facebook. I know many people are on Facebook. people are most of the time, they spend about 3 hours on social media, as you just seen. On Facebook, the best place to about online media and online business is this program every Wednesday, broadcast live on 19.1, but also now on YouTube as well as on Facebook, as this is a workshop type of program that I'm bringing to you. So stay tuned, and we're going to be back shortly.
Mom, Papa's mom allows him to watch cartoons whenever he wants. Mom, yes, dear. Papa's mom lets him watch amazing shows about nature and stuff. Mom, Papa's mom cooks all sorts of food. Papa says it's because of all the food channels she watches. Mom, Papa's mom watches great gospel shows at home.
Get DSTV Family and spoil your family with great entertainment like Cake Net and Keith, Nicktoons, SeaWorld, Channel O, and more for only $2.35 per month. DSTV Family, make your family click.
Ik is niet op 10, Alexander Wijs vertellen. Oh, what a night. Oh, what a night. Ik kan niet wachten om die 6 oktober te zien met die show. Very excited.
Die furniture. This supermarket from Dallas for Freedom. With the best quality and superb range. Now, I'm cashier. All your little equipment and everything you need for the heart of your home. The kitchen, and miles out from the market from Dallas and from the Dallas. The Northern Cape's favorite furniture.
Take this. Let me see a little island across the ocean where the river goes fans. Keep the people in motion. People in America say just like a dream. And on Paradise Island, you can hear them sing. If you think you got soul, bring it on over. If you think you got soul, bring it on over. If you think you got soul, bring it on over. If you think you got soul now, bring it on over. Yeah, man. Now the cats in the States are supposed to be hip, but you should dig them on Bay Street, the main little strip. Everything swings, both night and day. And if you think I'm jiving, here's all I got to say. If you think you got soul, bring it on over. If you think you got soul now, bring it on over. If you think you got soul, bring it on over. If you think you got soul now, bring it on over. Hey, Jack. If you think you got soul, all right. So if you think you got soul, bring it on over. Hey, yeah. Bring it on over. Come on, why don't you bring it on over? Why don't you bring it? Come on, bring it on over. Hey, get your love, get the thing. Come on, bring it on over. Come on.
Yes, and this is Radio NFM 98.1. This is the broadcast Elan Business Talk every Wednesday live here on Radio NFM as well as live on Facebook. So talking about the 3-step marketing system right inside Facebook that will skyrocket your business, and this is a live broadcast. So all you need to do, you are on Facebook, just click that button, the play button, as you see that post, it says the 3-step marketing system right inside Facebook that will skyrocket your business. This is Warren hosting the program every Wednesday between 2 and 3 p.m. All right, so back to business. All right, as it's being commonly said, and
I'm going to just make sure that I just go on to my screen again, because this is how this broadcast is made possible. All right, so I'm hoping you this screen as well. Right. So go back and let's look at this as well. So how do we, before the ad break, we asked the question, how do we create engagement? All right, how can you accomplish both? You can, get people to like, to comment on your post, basically, and at the same time, how can you help these people to engage, and how to, this is basically the question that we're asking today. Right. So we start with a 3-step marketing system for engagement. This is really what we want. We are looking at a Facebook page, and we want engagement. All right, we want people to comment on that page. All right, triggers is the first one. I'm going to show you this today. Facebook created a trapdoor that allows any fan page. All right, we're only talking about fan pages. If you are a business, you have a page on Facebook. This on your ad from your Facebook page, a message on their post or ads. Right. So if I comment now, all right, immediately, right, what will happen? People, somebody will be notified by Messenger. All right, so they will get a instant reply message back. That is Messenger broadcast. All right, this is super. You can broadcast. Many people have gone this thing about email broadcasting. All right, so email broadcasting has been around. Email has been around for a long time, since 1995, and told you last week that you're going to you sort of like from the year 2002, email began to pick up because more people started using email, and today people around the world have active email accounts, even more than one. I myself has 3 Gmail accounts. I don't use all of them. Broadcasting, I'm going to show you that today. So you can now also create a list of subscribers that you can later broadcast through Messenger. Boast about 85 to 90% open rates. I'm going to show you also for the radio NFL. All right, I'm going to show you inside today how many people comment, not comment, but how many people obviously. All right, so on the radio NFM Messenger channel, just type radio NFM. There's an option that will a button at the bottom that say get started if you are not a subscriber yet. So updated with whatever the radio, on the radio NFM. If you see a post on NFM, I normally put the link there. It's m.me, FM 98.1. will become a subscriber. But now we're going to do something different today. We're going to basically implement this as well. Comment on the Facebook page will now be able to receive a message as well, right? And then the third is sign up with Facebook buttons. Now this is very powerful because and basically add link. And what happens? You can now through this link. All right, this is now obviously more advanced in terms of developing a method. Basically allows when I create a link as a developer, and through this link, there's a little code that I use, and what happens is then into a normal link. That link, there's a pop-up that will authorize, that will ask the user, do you authorize this page? For example, maybe do you authorize eLearn or any other page? Maybe to get to communicate with you via email. So now, if you say yes, because you authorize Facebook to send me your email address. All right. It's a powerful thing. It's something new that Facebook added. Something that to help businesses to market through email, Messenger, and Facebook, and
also very powerful, because I think if I have time today, maybe not today, but maybe if I have time, basically take you through Facebook notifications, because do not know that. Few know about Messenger, almost none notifications, right? Which means now, with a little bit of development from my side, I can set up for a business to communicate to, or to market via Facebook notification. Now, we all know Facebook notifications, because you get a Facebook notification when it sends you a friend request. You get a Facebook notification when somebody likes your post, shared your post, commented on your post. For businesses, all right, that can utilize this. So those are the 3-step systems really for engagement alone, all right? Nowhere else, because you know you can use Messenger inside Facebook as well. So this is what we're going to look at today. So step 1. If you're thinking, if you're hearing me and you don't know what I'm talking about, is go on facebook.com, go into the Radio NFM Facebook page, the live feed on the Radio NFM Facebook page. So as you click the button there, then start broadcasting this program. My screen, you will actually see what I will be doing today, because I want you to actually see what am I talking. Don't understand what I'm talking about if you are just listening on the radio, but if you are going to go, if you can go onto Facebook, then you will be able to see what I'm talking about. So step 1, we're talking about common triggers. Facebook created a trapdoor. As I said, this allows any business page or fan page owner to instantly send a messenger message to anyone who comments on their post. It is really massive if you have a business online, really. But it's for any type of business, all right? But the thing that Facebook has now used for Instagram as well. But we're going to talk about more about that in October. We're going to focus more on Instagram. So when we're talking about common triggers on the Facebook page, this allows you to incentivize the engagement. So let's say, for example, you put your business owner store, for example, or clothing store or shoe store, just for example. And okay, today I want to give people 10% off my a line of shoes, for example. Is you invite people to say, okay, so let's say comment 10, just the number 10, right? Just put in 10, whether it's 10 the number or 10 the word. With the word 10, they instantly comment, and it immediately instant message from Messenger. I can say, hey, you just commented on this page, you just got 10% off this pair of shoes. Inviting people to come into your store. This is for local businesses as well, whether you are running, whether you are a dentist, and you just say for free teeth cleaning, right? You comment with the word teeth, immediately there's an instant message that will come to Messenger and say, hey, congratulations, you comment on our Facebook post, you now receive a free teeth cleaning. But honey, this will only last for next 2 hours. You really want people to go to your dentistry. For example, you are an optometrist. For example, you say, hey, comment maybe with the word eyes. All right. So when they comment on your Facebook page with the word eyes, immediately put in a reply message that says, hey, thank you very much for commenting. Now you can receive a free eye screening for today, hours, or for today only. You want to get people into your businesses, so immediately comment and immediately get a reply. Once they reply, guess what? They already subscribed to your Messenger channel, Facebook page. Here's the thing. You have to understand likes and
shares. There's a difference between likes. All right. Last week I showed you edge rank. I told you that, say for example, I did this calculation. Works is that if you have a Facebook page of 3,000, let's say the Facebook page that Radio NFM has 3,600 likes. So only 10% of those 300 likes really sees a post. So it starts at 10%. Then what happens is that, so we want more people to see the post, all right? Only gonna show 10% of the people that like the page. So only 360 to 360 of those people post about Facebook. I never really see a post on the Radio NFM because I am a subscriber. I get an instant message to somebody on the Radio NFM Facebook page. Right? That is called auto posting. Right? That's a feature that's also available on your page. Basically, as people subscribe, it will not be likes that will see the page. It will your notifies first. All right. So continue with step number 2: messenger broadcasting. This is very powerful. You can now also create a list of subscribers. Mostly, what people talk about is email subscribers. So when you see a Facebook, you go to a business website, and basically in this business website, normally have this box: subscribe to my newsletters. You put in your email address, you get a free newsletter. It used to be the case. A lot of using it is still a powerful method. There's a higher open rate on Messenger because what happens, when your phone goes off, you receive a message on WhatsApp or on Facebook Messenger. All right, your phone makes a noise. So immediately when you grab your phone and you want to see who did send you a message, all right, actually somehow psychological as well. So it pops up and it shows you the messenger notification. Collecting email addresses. One collect a subscription that allows you to message into Messenger directly. Customer signs up and you get a note to notify them about a sale or discount or a new product. Say for example, you're an optometrist and you receive a new pair of glasses that just came in. You want to notify your subscribers. You just post them page and immediately your subscribers get notified. As I said, that can only happen with development point of view. This increases your interaction yield on your effort, which means you make one post and if 3,000, this is the thing, if 3,600 people subscribe to the Radio NFM, then immediately when somebody posts, that 3,600 people will all get notifications by Messenger. But there's only 3,600 likes. And kind of subscription for that page as well. Facebook buttons. As I said to you, this is a little bit advanced in terms of getting somebody to subscribe to your email list directly from Facebook by getting code. And through that you actually tell Facebook, listen here, if I create this link, so can you please this authorization to Mr. XYZ, then there's a pop-up that will say, listen here, Mr. XYZ wants to interact with you through email and Messenger, and if I put in Facebook notifications there as well, messages me. If you click yes, then Facebook pulls your email address directly. Now the business can mail to you via email as well. There's no time for email addresses needed anymore. Email is still a powerful thing because remember, email is still more
than Facebook. 7 billion email addresses, active emails or active email users around the world. Let's go into this. All right, I talked a lot. So let's go and see how this works in Facebook, because this will be the purpose of this workshop today. I'm taking you through something that you need to pay attention. If you are on Facebook, if you are on radio, this program, I would suggest would go on Facebook and watch this broadcast. All right. Now on at the moment, interact with it. Go and see how this works. I'm gonna take a quick break. Screen for the moment, and then obviously we will continue with this broadcast after this. So stay tuned. This is Elon Business Talk with Warren, and
Vrou, jy sal nie glo nie, die bure gaan bou.
Wat?
Buurman sê, met Jewa se pryse kan 'n mens bekostig om te bou. Jewa het blokke, stene, sand, klip en pywers. Nou kan ons mos jou droomhuis ook bou. En ons hoef nie eers te bekommer oor vervoer nie. Jewa lewer af teen die minimale koste.
Waarvoor wag jy? Bel sommer nou vir Eva.
027 712 2366.
Ding, nou gaan daar gebou word.
Mama had all the fall. Had to take my Christmas, yeah, overall. Now she's gone, and I don't worry. I'm sitting on top of the world. When I had you, baby, you wouldn't treat me right. You stayed away both day and night. Now she's gone, and I don't worry. I'm sitting on top of the world. It's been days when I didn't know your name. Why should I cry in vain? Now she's gone, and I don't worry. I'm sitting on top of the world.
VGK Steenkop gedenkboek tesame met die Kerkraad bied aan 'n braaivleisverkope op Saterdag 16 September 2017 op die Kerkperseel. Braaivleis sal teen 12:00 beskikbaar wees. R40 per bol. Op Sondag 17 September 2017 hou hulle 'n sangmiddag tesame met verskeie gospelgroepe. Toegang volwassenes R20, studente R10 en kinders R5. Die fondse wat geïn word, gaan vir 'n gedenkboek. Kom ondersteun die VG Kerk te Steenkop.
right, live here on Radio NFM 98.1, Elon Business Talk, and I'm live here, and now I'm going to show you something, what common triggers really can do for your business. All right, so let's go back to screen share. I'm going to take you through to the Radio NFM 98.1 Facebook page, and I'm going to share with you exactly what happens. I just took a quick break there. Obviously, there's a lot of behind the scenes if you are on radio. So this is Radio NFM Facebook page, right? So what happens next is I'm going to comment on the post that I just made. I just made this post right now. We through to that post as well. Go to that post that I made, and it says system right inside Facebook that will skyrocket with your business. So this is just an example that I'm showing you right now, what you can do with common triggers, right, and how it works. So obviously I'm the expert, so I need to just make sure that I go and select link there, and I'm going to comment with the word radio. All right, so I'm going to comment with the word radio, and then what's going to happen is when I comment, there's an automated reply that you will receive, that you will see. It will have a pop-up here at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. All right, if you are on Facebook at the moment, or if you're listening on radio and you want to see what I'm doing, I'm showing you exactly how it works behind the scenes, you know, developer, and the things that you can, that I can basically implement when I use this type of marketing tactics on Facebook that is currently available. So I'm commenting with the word radio. I'm just going to click or press enter, and you will see just in a few seconds a pop-up that I'm going to receive from the Radio NFM page. And this pop-up, obviously, there it goes. You see that at the right hand bottom of your screen, that's the messenger pop-up normally that people chat through. But now, exactly the same time, it will go off on my phone as well. So yeah, Radio NFM is responding to your comment. Now, I want you to actually imagine using this for your business. All right, I'm just using this as an example on this page, but you can use it for any type of business, whether you are a clothing store, dentist, optometrist, a car retailer. All right, I've actually made this example for a car retailer. I'm going to show you maybe that as well. So this is what is called common triggers. So now, if somebody clicks this for the first time, reply message that I implemented as well. I said, hey, now you can listen to Radio NFM live on Messenger. All right. So what I could have done there is I could have maybe just put in the Radio NFM Messenger channel link as well, which is m.me. Obviously, that's the link that you see there. Slash Radio NFM 98.1. All right. That is the Radio NFM Messenger channel. All right. So anybody who comments on this page, all right, and this is where engagement really happens. You comment with a word. It can be any word under the sun. Let's say, for example, you want to comment. You have a clothing store and you have some pair of red shoes that you want to quickly sell as a sale. All right. You just say the word comment red. People who comment red, obviously now all will receive a reply back from your page, and this means that they can now subscribe to your page. All right. This is what common triggers is really about. All right, this is what step back, and we basically just select step one. I just want to get to step one. Step one, common triggers. Facebook created that is, allows you as a Facebook page owner, but obviously you need to have development experience to be able to do that, working with Facebook API. That entitles you obviously to be able to work behind the scenes on a Facebook page. You want to use this technology, you can obviously contact me as well as for you. So let's go and see. Step two, we talked of messenger broadcasting. All right. So exactly, messenger broadcasting works different way. So reach all the people of Facebook page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly just show you something from that. Let me just quickly back there. I just want to show you on the radio NFM. I talked about sending out a broadcast. So quickly how that works. So you're able to understand that as well. Looking into the development account that will be able to help me to. Just waiting for my account to open. So see radio FM. That will be the page that I select. Okay. For 1 second. So this is the thing that we had about when we talked about common triggers. So now in step 2, I'm going to show you messaging broadcasting as well, so that you'll be able to see that. So let me just go to, okay, is I want to show you quickly this as well. Implement this quickly here. So that you can just bear with me for 1 second here. I just want to get this quickly right as well. Okay. Just want to make it a little bit bigger so that we can be able to see this very clearly. Okay, I want to show you the open rates currently. When we do auto posting, when I do an automated post on Facebook, basically on subscribers, let me just get you inside of this as well, so that you'll be able to see this very quickly. So if you're wondering what's going on, just tune into this broadcast. If you want to really see what I'm doing, just go on Facebook on the Radio NFM 19.1 page. So basically what I want to show you. Now you see the open rates that I talked about, all right? This is sent out today, 13th of September, all right, 2017. 30 people have sent, it delivers the messages 100%, all right? You see, this post, 12 people have received this. 30 people it has been sent to 30 people. 15 has been delivered. So 75%, half of the people, that subscribe to this page at this moment, 80% open rates. This is what you see. And what you then receive on email. Email is normally about 10%, 5% people that opens email. But on Messenger, it's very powerful because your phone pings, it goes off, a Messenger notification, and 80% of people opens it up, which means we have really, you really see high open rates on Messenger, all right? Link to the Radio NFM 98.1 Facebook page. This is really powerful if you want to implement this for as well. This basically, so if you send out to 100 people, 100 people will receive this message. So we want people to understand that having a subscriber for your business is more powerful, and you can get a subscriber by people just by getting people to post on your page, to comment on your post. That is how powerful it is, and this is something that we're going to start implementing on the Radio NFM 98.1 Facebook page as well. Getting more people to post, getting more people to comment on our pages, so that more people will be able to subscribe. And next week, I'm going to show you this as well. All right. So time, obviously, this is engagement in motion. This is something that we've done a while back for the Namakwa Facebook page, and we want people to vote for particular t-shirts. We posted different t-shirts on that page. and we say vote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, and people started voting, and every vote became a subscriber to the Namaquad page. All right, we got in a day 118 comments, and 118 comments became a subscribers to that specific Facebook page. All right, so that is what Facebook really wants. They want engagement. All right, so the program for today, I know that we still have to go inside to step number 3. Unfortunately, as we are broadcasting live on radio, it means that I will not be able to go into step 3, which is sign up at Facebook button. But I'm going to basically show you that next week. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to Elon Facebook page as well. You know, go to ELURN on Facebook. If you really want, and this video that I'm sharing with you today will be live on Facebook. It will stay on there. Just go back and watch it. See, you know, what happens when you implement the 3-step system inside Facebook for engagement. If you want more engagement on your posts, if you want more engagement, more shares, but basically more comments, like I said, this can work for any type of business. All right, and you can get in contact with me if you want to implement this for your business. What I'm showing you today, this video is live, and I'm broadcasting live because I want businesses to understand exactly what I'm doing. So you know, you can call me 0764017596. All right, if you want to get in contact with me, if you are a business owner, you want to implement this for your business, I'm giving you a 30-day trial period, which means we implement this. I will implement it for you for free for 30 days to test it, to see how it works. And then, you know, after 30 days, we can look at, you know, getting you on board and working with me on a monthly basis. So if you want to make use of this messenger, of this engagement system on Facebook for free for 30 days, you can call me 401-7596. I can come to you. I can set up a demo for you. We can run a campaign for 30 days using this 3-step, using comment triggers, using messenger broadcasting, using Facebook buttons inside Facebook. All right, to engage with your page, whether it's a, you know, any type of business page that you have, you know, we work from there. So you can call me 07640196, 0764017596, or go on to my Elon Facebook page, ELURN on Facebook, and get in contact with me through that as well. So thank you very much that you have been with me on this program today in this live broadcast. Warren here signing out with this particular broadcast today. We will be back. I will be back next week, same time, same place, 1, and live on Facebook, live on YouTube as well. Thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of your day.